Hi guys, my name is Emma Thomas and I will be the co-leader for the DIY craft sessions with my good friend Bryan Kim. Next year I am going to be a junior at Limburg High School, and some other things about me are I play soccer. I've been playing since I was only 3 years old and I now play for the varsity team at our school. My favorite color is pink and my favorite food is gotta be mac and cheese. I also enjoy camping and hiking, and I also love to paint and draw as well. I'm very excited I get to lead this DIY craft session with you guys because I can't wait to show you new and creative ideas for things that you can make with items you already have around your house. I'm very happy I get to represent the Leadership Initiative, and I cannot wait to meet all you amazing kids. Thank you for watching.
Hey guys, I'm Bryan Kim and I will be one of the counselors at the Literacy Initiative. I will be co-leading the do-it-yourself craft sessions with my good friend Emma Thomas. And a little bit about myself, I will be a junior next year at Limburg High School, and a few of my hobbies include going fishing, playing tennis, riding my bike, or just hanging out with friends in general. Now I'm super excited to be doing these craft sessions because crafts, at least for me, have always been a big part of my childhood, and I remember them being like the most fun during my time in elementary school. So I was thinking, what better way to spend some time during summer than making these crafts at your house? And even better, with only the supplies at your house. You don't even have to go anywhere. So yeah, I can't wait to see you guys there, and I hope you guys have a good day.